And today's find is this beautiful one owner, since new, 2003 Ford F-350, crew cab, long bed, Lariat, turbo Powerstroke 7.3 with 93,000 actual miles. This is one of the last few 7.3s that rolled off the assembly line in 2003. Clean title, CARFAX certified. There's no history, there's no record of any accidents or damages ever. Clean title and CARFAX certified. This is a Lariat with a 6-passenger seating, loaded up with all the goodies, including the updated interior, power adjustable pedals, 6-passenger seating, extendable towing mirrors, as you can see, running boards, front fog lights, rear slider, heated seats, dual power seats, and I don't know, so much more. The paint shows as new. There's no clear coat issues. There's no paint fading whatsoever. Owner had a Ford buck shield installed on it since new. Only a couple rock chips that I saw, something like this right here that's been touched up. I'm sure through the truck I was showing the hood. Smooth finish, flat style fender flares, factory original running boards, drop-in bed, toolbox. The bed is protected with a spray-in bed liner. Let's go ahead and open it. Before that, there's a little scuff right here. And there's one more right here that's been touched up, but you don't see it from back here. It's never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck. It's got full spray-in bed liner. A couple tiny scuffs right there, as you can see on the side. Nothing to brag about. Chrome bumpers are in excellent condition as well. This truck has an upgraded K&N cold air intake and a full 4-inch turbo back exhaust with the rear muffler. We also added a new 2.5-inch front leveling kit with BILLSTEIN 5100 series shocks all the way around. The truck has rear load leveling airbags, and the valves for them, just so you know, is right here. That's the valve for this side, and on the other side in the same spot. The undercarriage is 100% rust-free, 100% corrosion-free. Take a look at this frame. It is as smooth as they get. There's your full exhaust with the rear muffler, and the exhaust sounds really nice on this truck. This is not a roll caller or any of that stuff. I'm trying to show how clean the frame is. The bolts, you see there's no corrosion. This is an upgraded transmission pen that holds more oil to keep it cooler. Previous owner installed a new transmission, a rebuilt transmission 6,000 miles ago. And he did an updated billet heavy duty torque converter with billet gears, fresh fluids, and a new transfer case seal. We just did a fresh service on the truck, including an oil change, oil filter, new wipers, new door lock actuators, fresh coolant flush, new battery terminal, fresh AC charge, and a few other things as well. We also added the new 17-inch RACELINE polished era correct wheels. Batteries are from 1 year old. You got newer batteries. There's the new terminals. K&N cold air intake. Look at that, fresh coolant. And the AC blows super cold. As you can see, all original bolts and body panels. These bolts have never been torqued or removed. I would be confident to say this is original paint, but I don't have a paint reader. But I've been doing this for a very long time, and the paint shows very nice. Same goes for the interior. Make no mistake, it is as clean and as good as almost new. And let's keep in mind, this is 22 years old. The leather seats are in excellent condition, as you can see. All the cushions are in excellent shape. They're not beat up. It's not like sitting on a seat that you think it's 20 plus years old, not gonna have any support. All the plastics, everything inside is as designed. There's no broken plastics or any of that stuff. Carpets are so clean as well. Original mats in excellent condition. Truck comes with both original keys and all the original books and manuals. This kind of got an added wood grain look all around the switches, and I like it. It blends well. It was a dealer accessory that you can upgrade to, and this gentleman didn't spare any money. The headliner is in excellent condition as well. Shows no scuffs, no rips, no tears. Just a little fuzz. There's no water stains, not around the rear window or the third brake light. This is a very nice, well kept up truck. There's your original jack. I don't think the back seats are really clean as well. I saw a little scuff right here. That is about it. Carpet, etc. in excellent shape. I love the fact with the 6-passenger seating, comes in very handy. We installed a new set of 35-inch Toyo AT3s in the 10-ply rating. These are excellent tires on and off the road. Also, they do very well in the snow or the mud. They are very quiet and their life expectancy is great. And a new set of the 17-inch RACELINE wheels like I mentioned. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy started. It does have a safety alarm thing. It won't start even if it's unlocked unless you press on the unlock, and that deactivates it, and now it will start. Let's see, miles read 93,176. Let's go show you the engine. Your K&N filter is carb legal, so you won't have any problems there. Engine runs very strong, sounds very smooth. Previous owner just went through all the front suspension not too long ago. We also did front BILLSTEIN 5100 steering stabilizer. All your pushings, everything is backfired, everything is as designed. There is no sloppy steering wheel or any of the issues. I drove this truck at 70 plus miles an hour and it drove as good as it can get. No complaints there. It also has a 5-position, I think it's called EFI Live. And the second setting on it, this is setting 1. Second setting is for high idle. As you can hear, it sets up your idle up to about 1100 RPM. I'll go back to 1. So on cold days, etc., that's a perfect way to get the truck to warm up quickly. Let's keep that on. Let's take out the front window. Goes up at ease, goes down at ease. Passenger window. Rear passenger window, factory tinted windows. So back out here, rear driver's side window, up and down. Let's check out the door lock actuators. We'll zoom back out. So there's all your door lock actuators. Turn this off. There's that driver's side mirror to the left, to the right, down and up. Let's check out the passenger side mirror, left, right, down, and up. So that covers the windows, the mirrors. Let's check out the seat. Here's the front. Let's go down, it's all the way up. It's front motor down, front motor up, rear motor down, rear motor up. Whole truck forward and a whole truck backwards, whole seat down and whole seat up. This is your heated seat here as well. And you do have adjustable pedals. Here's the pedals coming closer. Here's the pedals going away. You got your trailer brakes. He didn't want to screw any holes in here, so he put them right here. Parking sensors, 4-wheel drive on the fly. Let's turn the lights on, fog lights, hazards. Here's the wipers, second speed. Oh, that's the third speed. Here's the second speed. Here's your horn. Let's go on the other side. Here's your headlights, turn signals, fog lights. And let's check this here. That's from here. Here's the window. Oh, the window lock is on. Let me go turn that off. I hate when I do that. Okay. Let's see now. There's the window going up, window coming down. Let's check out the seat here real quick. Up, down, up. There's the back, down, up. The whole seat forward, whole seat backwards, whole seat up, whole seat down. And there's your heated seats as well. Take a look at this. It's literally like new. Look at the entryways. All the rubbers have been inspected. It's not beat up, not scratched up. Doesn't get much nicer than this. There's a slight rattle that you can hear. It's annoying, and I'll get it taken care of. I noticed it. And it's this chrome cap on top of the muffler. You gotta tighten that just a hair. There we go, now it stops when I push on it. So we've gotta tighten up the clamp a little bit. I'll get that handled. That is about it. There's your tail lights. And what else we got here? Oh, let's check out the stereo, the air conditioning. Okay, here's your trailer brakes. There they are. It's a little blurry, and you can adjust it from right here, your gain, etc. There's cup holders. Let's go on neutral, put it in 4-wheel drive. There's 4-wheel drive high. Let's go to 4-wheel drive low. There's 4-wheel drive low. Let's put it in gear. As you can see the jump. Let's release the stress, go back to 4 high, and now we'll go to 2-wheel drive. Overdrive right here. Okay, now we're gonna check out the air conditioning. This thing is blowing super cold. Oh, let's put it right here. Get the full blast with the recirculate, I mean. This thing is super, it's way below this. Let me just get the right angle. This thing is gonna be in the low 20s. My hands are freezing. Let's turn this off, and we are in winter. There's 1 finger test. Steering is nice and tight. It's not a sloppy steering here. Over the head works. There's your pockets. Doesn't get much nicer than this or cleaner. If you've been looking for a very clean 1-ton long bed 7.3 that is not rusty and well kept up, this is the one. These trucks were made for work, and to find them with low miles, 93,000 actual miles, is almost unheard of. This is a one owner with 93,000 miles, garage kept, very well taken care of, freshly serviced. You got new BILSTEIN 5100 shocks all the way around, BILSTEIN steering stabilizer. Your complete front end has been gone through. Brand new Toyo 35-inch AT3 tires, new RACELINE wheels, non-smoker interior, excellent condition paint and seats and leather, etc. 1-ton long bed, one of the last few. These are not trucks that are easy to find. I can qualify this F-350 for new car financing, which means I can finance it up to 84 months and as low as 7.3% on approved credit. No, your bank, your credit union, USAA, Navy, Federal, I don't care who it is, they will not offer you these terms. They will not offer you this low interest rate. You can call and check. This financing program is a gift. This trucks hold their value, go up in value, and this lender knows that and willing to lend the true actual market value on these trucks, not Kelley Blue Book or NADA, which thinks this truck is worth maybe $12,000 or $14,000. So you got a fully serviced truck, ready to go. You can finance it as if it's a new truck, so you're not buying a new truck that's gonna take a 30% depreciation the first year. The market and the time have proven these 7.3s. If you don't know about 7.3s, then I don't know what to tell you. You need to get to learning. I can help you ship this truck right here from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in Alaska, whether you live in Canada, whether you're in Hawaii, on any of the islands, whether you're in New York or Rhode Island or New Mexico or Colorado or Wisconsin or South Carolina or North Dakota or Arizona, anywhere. I deal with shippers on the daily basis. I know how to vet through them, make sure they're insured, bonded, and I only work with A+ rated shippers. You don't have to deal with the brokers and get jacked around. I've shipped thousands and thousands of vehicles, and I'm happy to help. That's a little dust. So buying from us is a breeze. We handle all your titling, all your registration. We do everything remotely through DocuSign. So you can do the whole transaction while you're sitting at home. You don't have to lose a breath. You don't have to lose time off work. I think this video covers everything that you'd wanna see. I have 95 detail photos on the website of the truck and a full description as well. There's all the books and manuals. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Jordan Motorsports. Let's make it yours.